how to change your navigation data disc in a GM vehicle. This is a 2007 Yukon. This can be applied to other GM vehicles as well. I am Stephen Wimberly, and this is Working with Wimberly. The first thing we're going to do is press the menu button, then press the nav and the map database information. Now you get an option here to change, and that's what we're going to do. Press change. The screen will flip out and we have two options. One is to close and one is to eject. So you press the button to eject and the DVD will come out. And I have right here an updated version. So take the new disc, insert it, select close, and allow the system to load. That's it. Quick and easy video, how to change the navigation data disc in your GM vehicle. A disclaimer, this is the original data DVD that came with the vehicle. Now to get the latest version, it's $180. I didn't want to pay that, so I got a copy of the latest disc off of eBay for $13. Now the first time I did this, the disc did not work and it almost got stuck in my CD player. And once I got it out, I decided to try again. So I looked around, I found a seller who had 100% positive feedback, and I looked at the reviews and everyone said that the disc did work for them. So I bought it from this reputable seller and the disc worked fine. So just keep that in mind. If you're going to buy a copy, make sure that you do your homework on your seller to make sure that it's going to be a good disc. Thanks again for watching.